The slow genetic poisoning of humanity. Shocking food secrets exposed. Ah, candy. Sweet, delicious, and potentially destroying your DNA at the molecular level. But hey, who's counting chromosomes these days, right? Folks, we need to talk about something terrifying. And no, it's not pineapple on pizza. I'm talking about how corporations have turned our food into a science experiment gone wrong, where you are the test subject. Let's unravel the top hidden food dangers that are slowly messing with our genetics, one bite at a time. First up, titanium dioxide, the DNA-damaging food coloring. First up, we have titanium dioxide, E171, a chemical that makes your favorite candies, chewing gum, and dairy products look brighter, shinier, and more irresistible, kind of like a beauty filter for food. Titanium dioxide is not just a harmless food additive. Oh no, this stuff is so bad that the European Union banned it in food because it can penetrate human cells and cause DNA strand breaks. Yes, you heard that right. This natural ingredient is out here playing Jenga with your genetic code. The worst part? Long-term exposure has been linked to gut inflammation, neurotoxicity, and even sperm DNA damage. So yeah, if you're wondering why fertility rates are dropping, it might not just be the stress of capitalism. It could be your snack choices too. Next up, brominated vegetable oil, BVO, the soda industry's dirty secret. Next, we have brominated vegetable oil, BVO, a delightful little chemical used in sodas and sports drinks. Fun fact, it's also a flame retardant, because apparently your soft drinks need to be fireproof now. This chemical accumulates in your fat cells and disrupts thyroid function, meaning it could be quietly rewiring your hormones, metabolism, and even your brain. Feeling sluggish? Gaining weight for no reason? It could be BVO slowly hijacking your endocrine system. Synthetic hormones in meat and dairy, why your milk is a science experiment. You ever wonder why kids today hit puberty at age 8, while our grandparents were still climbing trees at 14? The answer is recombinant bovine growth hormone, RBGH, a synthetic hormone pumped into cows to make them produce more milk. Great for profits, terrible for human biology. So next time you're sipping that extra creamy latte, just remember, you might be getting a side of bioengineered hormones with your caffeine. Next up, azotocarbonamide, the yoga mat in your burger buns. Ever eaten fast food and thought, wow, this bun is so soft? Well, congratulations. You might be chewing on azotocarbonamide, ADA, a chemical also found in yoga mats. The same compound that keeps your McBurger fluffy is also used in plastic foams. And guess what? When heated, it releases carcinogenic compounds. So maybe next time, just eat the yoga mat instead. It's probably healthier. Next up, artificial food dyes, the hyperactivity and cancer cocktail. Did you know that red 40, yellow 5, and blue 1, those fun, colorful dyes in candy and cereal, are actually made from petroleum? You know, the same stuff used in gasoline and asphalt. These dyes have been linked to ADHD in kids, hormonal imbalances, and even DNA mutations. And yet companies still slap "made with natural ingredients" on the box like it's a joke. What can you do? So, what can we do? First, read ingredient labels like your life depends on it, because it kind of does. Second, cut back on ultra-processed foods. If your great-grandma wouldn't recognize it, maybe rethink eating it. Third, support food transparency movements. At the end of the day, we're not just eating food. We're consuming a carefully engineered cocktail of corporate greed. The question is, are you okay with that? If you found this video mind-blowing or slightly terrifying, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let's keep exposing the truth. Knowledge is power. Eat wisely.